Your new electronically tuned radio with cassette tape player has many advanced features. We would like to take a minute of your time to acquaint you with them. We will pause periodically to let you eject this tape and try each feature. To eject the tape, press the eject button. Reinsert the tape when you are ready to continue. The rotary controls include independent treble and bass as well as volume, fader, and balance controls. You may adjust these controls while this tape is playing. The radio controls are not functional while listening to tapes. Now let's discuss the use of the more significant radio features, including electronic tuning and digital frequency display. After you select the desired band using the AM/FM switch, you may manually tune in a station by rotating the scan switch. Rapid manual tuning is obtained by rotating the scan switch twice quickly and holding it in the rotated position. Upon release of the switch, tuning will stop whether or not a station is present. Manual tuning should be completed either by listening for the presence of a station or by observing the frequency display. No fine tuning is required. The station is electronically locked in for drift-free reception. You may also tune your radio automatically by using either the seek up, seek down, or scan feature. Momentarily pressing the scan button causes the radio to automatically tune up the band, pausing for 8 seconds at each station. Note that the AM/FM indicator in the display flashes while the radio is in the scan mode. When a desired station is reached, press the scan button again to stop the automatic scanning. Eject the cassette and try the seek up, seek down, and scan controls. Instant tuning to any of the stored stations, 4 AM and 4 FM, is provided by pushing one of the 4 station buttons, located to the right of the scan button. Your favorite stations may be stored in the following manner. First, tune in a station, then press and hold the desired memory button for 2 seconds. The sound will mute until the station is stored. When the sound returns, you may release the memory button. To recall a station, press and release the memory button within 1 second. If you wish to listen to cassettes encoded with Dolby noise reduction, push the button marked Dolby to obtain Dolby decoding. A double D Dolby symbol is illuminated when the Dolby circuits are active. While listening to your cassette tapes, you may rewind or advance the tapes by using the rewind and fast-forward controls. The cassette tape direction is automatically reversed whenever an end is reached. To change tape direction, push the reverse button. The tape direction is shown in the radio display window. The equalization switch marked CRO2 allows you to optimize the cassette playback for different types of tape. Normally used in the out position, the switch should be depressed when chromium dioxide tape is used. To obtain maximum enjoyment from your cassette radio, please observe the following precautions. Whenever the radio or the ignition switch is turned off, the tape cartridge should be removed from the tape player. This will prevent an increase in wow and flutter as well as possible damage to your tape cartridge and tape player. In severely hot or cold climates, allow the radio and tape temperatures to moderate before inserting a cassette. Store unused cassettes in their protective cases away from direct sunlight or high temperatures. Extended play cassettes with more than 90 minutes playing time are not recommended because their thinner tape may break and jam the mechanism. Before inserting a cassette into the radio, be sure that both reels rotate freely in both directions and that there is no loose tape between the reels. If a cassette continually reverses direction, remove it and check it for loose tape and free rotation of both reels. The cassette deck head should be cleaned periodically with a cotton swab slightly moistened with a commercial cleaning solution, sold for this purpose in electronics stores. Thank you for letting us introduce you to one of the finest entertainment products available, and happy motoring.